Attention shoppers! How's it going, you guys? Bruce here with Shopping with Bruce. Looky what we got us right over here. We got us a little package from RedBubble. Oh my. Brucey got his stuff. Oh, I can't wait to open this up. Wanted to open this up on camera so you can watch what this looks like. I don't know what this stuff looks like. It's all sealed up. It just arrived here about an hour ago. I gotta say, like my subscribers and my viewers who've been telling me already that have already received some merchandise, you get these notifications all the time on your phone or in your computer. I was getting notifications from RedBubble when I made my order. Then they confirmed the order. Then they sent me a notification that they were making my product. Then they sent me a notification that they had sent it. Then they gave me a tracking number. I was able to watch that for the last 3-4 days. Then this morning, I take a look at my email on my phone and voila, your package has been delivered. Oh, I'm thinking, no one's knocked on my door, but I'm going, oh, I know what that means. It's in the mailbox. And sure enough, here in Canada, we don't necessarily get door-to-door delivery anymore with our post office like you folks down in the United States. We have to go to like a little community area here where we have mailboxes, and that's where we can pick up our mail. Well, I went over there, opened up the box, and inside my mailbox was a key. I put the key into this B1 box about this big, opened her up, and here's what's inside my mailbox. My package has arrived safe and sound, and it's in great shape. There are no boot marks on it. There are no, there's no, cigarette residue or anything like that. Everything here's fine. So let's open this package up and take a look at Bruce's tees and see what we've got here. I guess I'll open from this side over here, and I think I'll use the scissors to give it a nice clean cut. All right, let's see what happens. And don't want to cut anything, so I got to be careful. Let's try right along here. Oh, I even have I have a little tearaway thing here. Maybe that's even another way to put it. Oh, look. No scissors required, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Just a tearaway thing here. Look at that. Let's pull it out. 2 stacks of tees instead of 1. Here we go. Look at that. Fantastic. Love that. Here's the first t-shirt, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness gracious me. Look at this. Can you see that? Let's put that out of the way. Ooh, St. Thomas, British Virgin Islands. Look at that. Fantastic. This is great. I have to take a look at it myself. Wow. Okay, that's number 1. Here's a green t-shirt I ordered. Let's open this guy up. Here we go. Here we are. Traveling with Bruce, baby. How about that? Oh. Okay. Let's check out number 3. Oh, this is the flag logo. Here we go. Traveling with Bruce. They said it couldn't be done. Is that fantastic? Now here's the white t-shirt with this logo on it. This is the Wave logo. This has been very popular with my viewers. That is beautiful. Fantastic. I love that. And, oh, of course, we've got the one with the life Bowie. Here we go. In navy blue. How about that? Traveling with Bruce. Beautiful. We'll see how they last and how they fit. I've ordered them in a XXL. I like them nice and roomy. I'm thinking down the road that, for now, I'll get them large and see how they go. If I find that these are too large over time, then I can always downsize on my next order to an XL. But this looks just fantastic. Thank you to RedBubble for their great service. The customer service is fantastic. As a creator, I'm just out here hoping that they do it right, and I keep getting messages from all you folks who order this product, my coffee mugs and my tote bags and the travel mugs and the hoodies, that everyone's happy so far with what they're getting. So far what I see here, I like, and we're going to keep going forward, bringing new logos out all the time. Just put some new logos up the other day, so if you get a chance, go to my homepage, where you see the banner on the top saying Traveling with Bruce. On the far right hand side there are a few icons up here, and head over to the RedBubble icon. It's probably the furthest one to your right. And you can peruse the store all you want. Just a heads up too, this logo here is an example. We've made, there are 2 versions of this logo on my webpage, on my RedBubble store. This version here is perfect for a dark colored background where you see the TWB in white. But I also make a logo like this where the TWB is in black ink, and that is perfect for a white colored t-shirt, because if you put this logo on a white colored t-shirt, the TWB disappears because it's a white background. So I've made these logos look like this in several cases, all right? So if you get a chance to check them out, look at all the logos, take your time. It'll take you hours now because I think we've got 12 different logos up and running already. But these are coming out pretty darn nice. I'm very happy with this the initial look here. I wanted to get a variety of colors for these different logos just to see what they look like. I'm going to start wearing them on the air. And then here we are. This is the first, this is my own picture that I took in St. Thomas. My wife Jen and I, we were on the Explorer of the Seas there, and this is the shot from on top of the cable car ride looking down over the harbor in St. Thomas. And this came out, I think, pretty good. So anyway, folks, if you get a chance, pop by the shop and check it out for yourself. See if there's something in there you'd like. Anything you order there, you're supporting the channel, and I do appreciate it. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying, if you like this little video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing on the channel, subscribe. There's a button here, there's a button there, and join in the fun. We'll see you live Monday to Friday at 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 o'clock Eastern, where we talk cruise ships and cruise deals. And, well, you know the drill. If you know the channel, you know we have a good time. We'd love to have you stop by and say hi. In the meantime, this is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.